Welcome. Today I will show you how you can record screen on your Android 13. Now, I will be using Google Pixel 6 Pro for this, but this option is accessible for basically every device. Now, the reason I mentioned this is because even though it's accessible on every device, certain phones might have less or more settings associated with the screen recording. So I'm going to start off with accessing the settings. So let's pull down our toggles. So straight from the top, pull it down. Now, if your phone has it separated into two sections, you will need to pull it down from the right side. As an example, Huawei is one of those. So now we go, bring it up. Toggles are on the right side. On the left side you have your notifications, so make sure if you're not seeing the toggles that you pull from the correct side, or just switch it up. And in here you should be able to locate somewhere screen recording. For me it's right over here. Sometimes it might be named a little bit differently, but it's usually something with recording screen or associated with this kind of functionalities. Once you find it, you will want to hold the toggle, which looks like does not do anything for Google Pixel, which is a little bit disappointing. For most of you that aren't using Google Pixels, it will take you to the settings where you will be able to change a couple features of it. Now here it looks like we only have access to record audio, so you can record a system, microphone, both or nothing, and also the show touches on the screen. For everybody else, for instance Samsung users, you will have a lot of other options like resolutions, frame rates, and so on. So customize them to your liking. Pixel here, for some reason, it's limited in this specific aspect. Now once you have chosen your settings, if you went directly into the settings, you can close this and find the toggle once more and simply tap on it. If it comes up with a window, some of them do, just select Start. This will start a countdown, and then you can do whatever you want to record. So I'm just kind of fiddling around. Once you're done, pull down your toggles or notifications more precisely, and there will be usually a notification that tells you that it is recording. Select Stop, and this will save the screen recording to your Photos or Gallery application, whichever one your phone has. It will be there, and you can see it right here for me. And most of the other devices you will have albums, and the screen recording will not be visible on the main page where the photos are. It will be somewhere on albums under either screenshots or videos or screen recordings. It really depends on a brand, but depending on the phone, you probably will be able to locate it quite easily. And in there, obviously, you will find your screen recording. So anyway, with that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.